So welcome back to the channel. Here is a quick update regarding a new game, that is a two-pointer game if you have already seen, that is the work-life refresh. Here it is awarding 2 points instead of 1 and it will be expiring today only. You can clearly see that only 14 hours are remaining at the time of making this video. It will be expiring on 19th of January 2026, 11:59 p.m. So hurry up and complete this game. I'll find the solution if you come to the channel directly and go to the playlist section. There also you can find. Also, I will attach the playlist link in the description too, or you can just check the master sheet also. Here you can see master sheet is there. And from here, you can complete the special game, two-pointer game. Next to it is the solution playlist. So like this, you can complete it. Hurry up, very limited time is there and all the solutions are already live. Before any solutions goes down, means there is any bug in the lab, complete it before it ends. So this was the quick update regarding all the remaining labs are there. Okay, if you have already completed a two-pointer game, you can complete other games from the master sheet of the arcade games. Thank you. This was a quick update. And if you want to become a facilitator who will be leading the arcade program or you're interested in AWS Community Builder program, you can watch these videos and I will attach all the relevant resource for you in the description box.